Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. So it's time for an EDC update. Haven't done one in 2 months. I just haven't had the video making vibes. Also got a new video editing software so I can use proper cameras now and upload in 1080p. All of the videos I've done most recently have been on the phone. And I've only been able to upload in 720p. Now I can upload up to 4K, which I won't be doing. Got a new laptop as well today. Got it from CEX. Unfortunately, the fucking idiots didn't bother checking it before they sent us it. And it's password locked, so I've got to send it back and get a refund. So anyway, time for an EDC update. I'll just get straight into it. I'll start off with the obvious stuff. The phone, still the Huawei Nexus 6. It's a phone, it does phone stuff. Got some hand sanitizer. And the StatGear hygiene hand thing. Keys changed a little bit. Gone for the Gerber shard. And I've still got the Phoenix NW20 whistle, the Uncle Bill's slither grippers, and the P38 can opener, and the i1R EOS by Olight, which is still awesome. I might upgrade it though. They've upgraded this model, so now you can just undo that, and there's a little charging port. With this, you got to remove that completely to charge it. I like keeping everything as is, so there's no risk of losing the head. And I found my Leatherman squirt on Blythe Pier a week after I lost it, hidden right down a little crack. So good job nobody else saw that. It's also the only Leatherman that's got a bit of rust on it. All the other Leathermans, if they went through this on a pier, it would have corroded to hell. But that's that. Still using the Maxpedition tritium keychain thing, which I think I've been using for about 3 years now. No fraying. Still holding up great. Got a glider Axis, don't smoke, just like I'm a lighter. Pen, still got the Bokeh Plus 50 cal kit pen with the Fisher Space Pen insert. And the knife, sticking with the Nagaho Higo Nakami, which is freshly sharpened. I've used it a few times since I've sharpened it, but I bet it's still shaving sharp. Almost guaranteed. Like a razor blade. That's the same one I've been carrying a lot recently. The Blue Paper Steel blade. It's got a little homemade pouch with the lucky cat thing. flashlight, surprise surprise, is the Armitech ELF C2. Always carried on the highest beam in case I need to use it for self-defense. And a sharpener, which I don't use for sharpening knives. I use it for pruners and fish hooks. Been doing a lot of fishing recently. And the multi-tool is still the Victorinox Spirit, which I don't even remember how old this thing is now, about 5 or 6 years old. Maybe it's longer. Still perfect. And then got a new mask from Heine Hayes. It's Chico bag. It's pretty much a cheaper version of the PacSafe Silver Ion, which is here. It's got the metal piece so you can bend around glasses and things. Similar to this, except this has got more of a stiffener all the way down, so it's less pocket friendly. You can still carry it like that, whereas with this I can completely fold it right down. Takes up no space, comes with a little bag. Like I say, it's a little bit cheaper. Can't even remember how much I paid for it. But that's that. And the bandana is the German Army issue Flecktorn triangular bandana. I think mine's from 2011. 2011. That's the bandana. And the wallet, going back to the EDC Industries, not EDC Industries, the Fly Industries EDC wallet. And in here, I don't think anything's really changed. Got a Fresnel lens, lifeboat matches, lucky coin, got the little survival kit, top snap knife with a signal mirror, some fish hooks, seal needle and some Kevlar thread. And that's all that's on there. And then a full-sized Swedish Army Ferrocerium rod. And just a little basic boo-boo kit. Some water purification pills. Antiseptic wipe. And some cordage. And no money because I'm a broke ass bitch. And that's that. So I'll get into the bag now. So for the bag, I'm going with the World War II reproduction German mountain troop rucksack in canvas. I just carry this until I break it. See what it'll take for abuse. I've had it for about a year now. Used it on and off. The leather's starting to curl up a bit and crack. I have put beeswax on them so they're not too bad. Just things like that, they were cracking when I got them, so it wasn't treated. Doesn't look too bad, but there's just little micro cracks in the leather. So in here, got the Nalgene 38 ounce or 36 ounce, 32 ounce, and the titanium mug on top. Got the headband for the flashlight, one out the flashlight for the Omnitech. Got the Suzuki overdrive harmonica, bike lock, spare flashlight. It's the Phoenix TK12, which is awesome flashlight. Got the little self-defense bit on it as well. Sorry, I mean the pocket clip. Got a spare unopened Tops brand face mask from Heine Hayes, because I like Tops, and a Luger monocular, which I've had for about 7 or 8 years. It still works perfectly fine. A Soviet army shoe comb, work knife. It's a K-Bar Doja folding hunter, which has got a really maured up edge. A lot of chips and rolls. Used it to cut up some fishing bait. And I used a rock under the fishing bait instead of a bit of wood. Nothing to worry about. I know how to sharpen knives. Got some gloves. And then in here is a dry sack. So I got a Usain cap, Highlander neck gaiter, which I can also use as a mask. Mostly just use it for fishing now. And the Miltech waterproof jacket I won't bother getting out. And that's it. Got a light stick on the outside the bag in case I gotta walk across roads and things. And besides that, just the stuff I've already shown 1,000 times in other videos. First aid kit and all of that. I've got a separate bag I carry work tools in, but the work's starting to slow down now. Thinking about packing it in all together, closing the business down over the next week or two, see how it goes. That's a story for another time. That's my EDC for this month. Thanks for watching. Shanna.